Okay, we will solve this one. How many terms of the arithmetic sequence 20, 18, 16 that must be added so that the sum will be negative 100? Okay, so we will use this formula. S sub n equals n over 2 or n divided by 2 times 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1, okay, times d. Given natin, dito tayo sa taas konti yung a sub 1, that is equal to 20. Okay? Tapos, yung common difference, subtract natin si 18 kay 20 at saka 16 kay 18. So, 18 minus 20, so that is negative 2. 16 minus 18, that is also negative 2. So, yung common difference is negative 2. Okay? Tapos, yung S sub n, ito yung sum, it is negative 100. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung n. Kita pa? So, hanapin natin yung n. Kung ilang terms or how many terms. Okay, so, dito tayo, i-substitute natin yan. So, S sub n, that is negative 100. So, negative 100 equals, n natin, hindi natin alam yan. Yun ang hanapin natin. Okay, times 2. Tapos yung value ng a sub 1. A sub 1 is 20. Okay, then plus, and di natin din alam yan, minus 1 times d na negative 2. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, tuloy natin yan, negative 100. Course, kopyahin muna natin yan si n over 2 times 240 yan. 2 times 20 is 40. Okay? Tapos ito, i-distribute muna natin yan. So, this is negative n times negative 2, that is, sorry negative 2. Wala tayong eraser. Negative 2n, sorry. Then, negative 1 times negative 2, that is positive 2. Okay? So, pag mag-multiply tayo ng the same sign, the result is positive. So, i-combine like terms muna natin yan, So, kaya pa. Negative 100, kita pa, equals n over 2, okay, times 40 plus 2 is 42, minus 2n. Okay? So, dito tayo sa taas, para makita. Okay, ngayon, pwede natin i-cross multiply yan si 2 kay 100. Ang negative 100 is may over 1 yan. So, 1 times n times 42 minus n, ganun pa rin. So, si 2 lang i-multiply natin kay negative 100. So, therefore, magiging negative 200 na yan. Equals, n na lang. Diba? Kasi, ipag-multiply natin yung, meron kasing over 1 yan, si negative 100. Multiply natin dyan, same pa rin ang result. So, magiging n times 42 minus 2n. Okay? Ngayon, okay, kopyahin natin yung negative 200 equals, multiply natin yan si n kay 42, that is positive 42n. Then si n times negative 2n, that is negative 2n squared. Okay? So ngayon, i-transpose natin yan si negative 2n squared to the left side. Okay? Para ma-equate natin into 0 yan. So, negative, from negative 2n, magiging, negative 2n squared, magiging positive 2n squared. Diba? Then, si negative, si 42n, magiging negative 42n. Si negative 20, hindi siya na-transpose, therefore, magiging negative 200. Okay? Equals 0. Okay? By 2. So, divide natin yan by 2, divide natin by 2, divide natin by 2. So, cancel natin yung 2. So, n squared na lang yung naiwan. Okay? Tapos dito, that is negative 42 divided by 2. This is negative 21n. Tapos divide natin yan by 2 si 200. That is negative 100 equals 0. Okay, ngayon, hanap tayo ng factor nito. Okay? Na dapat ang product nila ay negative 100, then yung sum nila ay negative 21. Okay? Kita pa ba? So, factor natin yan equals 0. So, n, kasi n squared yan, so dito rin n. Okay? So, ang factor natin dito para magiging negative 100 ay negative 25. Dito rin positive 4. Kasi yung product niyan, negative 25 times 4 is negative 100. Tapos yung sum nila, negative 25 plus 4 is negative 21n. So, stress taas ha. N minus 25 equals 0. So, n is equal to positive 25. Yung isa naman, n plus 4 equals 0. So, n equals negative 4. So, i-reject natin itong negative 4 kasi n natin must be a natural number. So, yung n na hinahanap natin ay positive 25. So, therefore, the first 25 terms of the sequence 20, 18, 16 must be added to get a sum of negative 100. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.